These contributions throw light on the possible role of entanglement and non-locality in the conscious cognitive processes taking place in the human brain. The other has to do with using deep insights from physics to develop a causal viewpoint for the activities involving human decision making. In an upcoming research monograph under the Cambridge University Press, me and my colleague, Professor Emmanuel Haven from Memorial University, Canada, will present a detailed framework for the economic sciences with a quantum theoretical approach to the modeling of the behavior of the agents of economy. But why economic sciences? Because, as we know, the economic financial world daily involves tremendous decision-making activities. And this makes it a test bed for the idea of conscious decision-making human mind as the participating observer. I mean, the dually functional role of each of the conscious human agents of economy, both as a participant and as an observer, is apparent there. I anticipate that a blend of the findings of such research efforts, bringing together quantum neuroscience and social sciences, could lead to a novel research program in the near future. Specifically, it will have the potential to provide more realistic models capturing the human decision-making processes in different socio-economic contexts. And possibly, such models will be based on our ever-improving understanding of the quantum physical, causal, and non-local functioning of the subjectively experiencing participating observers. In his famous book, The Phenomenon of Man, the French philosopher Pierre Teilhard de Chardin remarks, "The true physics is that which will one day achieve the inclusion of man in his wholeness in a coherent picture of the world." Perhaps the blending of the findings from the natural and the social sciences, along with the interpretation of conscious human mind's dual role as a participating observer, can be seen as a means to transform such a philosophical remark into a proper scientific model. And I hope that such a scientific model will provide a new, coherent approach to achieving a human inclusive and holistic understanding of the physics of nature. To me, this sounds like a wonderful exploration. Thank you very much for listening, dear participating observers.